Hi, I'm James Plan, and this is our Unreal Engine game, Cavinions. It's an RTSBA, which is a real-time strategy battle arena. So it uses aspects from games like League of Legends or Defense of the Ancients. There's 3 lanes and minions run down them. The aim is to get 30 into the enemy base. Ways we do this is by making sure ours push through. One of the ways to get your minions past the enemies is by clicking on them, which shoots them for a little bit of damage. You can see that clicking on an enemy minion, or whenever they else take damage, causes a happy face to turn into a sad face, and the colours change until they eventually die. Every time a minion of your enemies dies, you gain 3 gold, which can be used to purchase and upgrade buildings. Over time, the AI upgrades buildings themselves. You can see here that they've made a level 1 Rangers guild. A good counter to Rangers are Warriors, so we're going to go ahead and build a barracks ourselves. They have a 25% chance to block any damage from an attack and are quite tanky, and Rangers like to do lots of cheap shots. So when our Warriors finally come through, they should be pretty tanky to deal with the enemy Rangers. At the moment, our basic minions are getting ripped to shreds in this lane, but we should be fine once the Warriors come through. You can see that they begin to change into Warriors once they've walked through the building. We almost have enough gold to upgrade this, so I'm going to wait to do that. It costs 150, and once they do, they'll be very powerful. Now the building's upgrading. Unfortunately, this wave's going to miss out on it, but the next one will be twice as powerful. It's a good idea to base your buildings on whatever counters the enemies. Warriors tend to be good against Rangers because they can soak up the fast attacks. Rangers are good against Engineers because they get to strike from a distance. Engineers are good against Mages because they're tanky enough to get into range and then hit hard. They also destroy buildings faster. Priests are really tanky and they heal themselves over time, but only if the enemy isn't on fire. Only if they're not on fire. So Mages are a good counter to them. They are better against Warriors though because they're a little bit tankier. That's basically the aim of the game. Once you get 30 minions into the enemy base, you win. Or if they do it, then you lose. Thanks for listening. I hope this video was informative and helpful.